Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to Anika's channel. I do mostly makeup videos. I also do vlog on traveling, and today I have created this beautiful red lips paired with golden and red eyes. This look is suitable for any party, any kind of function or Eid, which is coming soon. I guess everyone is really excited about this. So if you guys want to see how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. All my new viewers, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also everyone, please share it if you have enjoyed watching it. Without further ado, let's get started. So I am prepping my eyes using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. The shade is Amber, and also I'm using the Real Techniques Beauty Blender to place all this cream onto my lids. Then I'm going to setting those areas using the Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder with a setting brush by Real Techniques. Today I will be using my James Charles palette once again. Woo! The first shade I'm using, it's called Rusted. That will act as my transition color, and I'm using a crease brush to put that onto my crease. Then I'm using the shade called You Are Kidding, and I'm just putting it onto the outer V of my eyes. The brush I'm using, it's Morphe M433. Again, going with the crease brush and making sure it's looking nice and blended. I put some more of You Are Kidding and just deepening up my outer V and making sure it's blended. Next, I'm using the shade called Batik and working very close to my eyelash line and giving it a little deepness. Then going back and with the crease brush, making sure it's blended. I'm just cleaning my lids with some concealer so that I can put some glitters on there. It's no cut crease, it's just to clean up my lid. Then I'm using this two shade called Halloween and Wick. First I put it by my finger, then used a brush. This brush is Morphe M166. Then I used the shade called Benny and kind of like deepening up my outer V more and diffusing it into my eyelash line, basically making sure it's looking blended and nice. I love this part so much. Now I'm putting my favorite foundation. It's by L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation. The shade is Caramel Beige. It's a full coverage drugstore foundation. If you guys are looking for any, I recommend this one. You guys have seen me using this a lot. Basically, I basically use this foundation most of the time. And the beauty blender I'm using, it's by Real Techniques. It's also a drugstore product. Making sure there's no harsh lines. So I'm putting the Beautiful Bronze by LA Girl concealer and putting it onto my usual contour areas. And I'm blending that onto my skin using the Real Techniques buffing brush. If you guys want to see a full video on how I contour and highlight my face, I will definitely give you guys the link to the video. I have a full video on that. Don't forget to check that if you guys are wondering. Then I'm concealing my usual area, which is under my eyes, around my mouth, some on the bridge of the nose, and on chin. The concealer I'm using, it's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. Shade is Amber. It's one of the full coverage concealers. You guys can see how it brightened up my face like instantly. It's beautiful. I love this one. Then using my cute small bronzer by Too Faced. It's the shade medium. I'm just putting it wherever I put my contour, just setting those areas out with the same Real Techniques buffing brush. Also not forgetting my nose, I'm just slightly setting that. Then to set my under eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder, putting the areas where I have concealed. Also slightly cleaning under my contour line, not too chiseled or anything, just a little clean. Also not forgetting my nose. The brush I'm using, it's by Morphe. It's the E62. Setting my face with the Morphe setting spray. It's beautiful. It smells awesome. I love the setting spray. And going over with the beauty blender, making sure all are sealed and on place. Then I'm adding some highlighters. It's by BH Cosmetics. Putting it onto my high points of my face. Then adding some blush. You guys can use any blush. Then for my lower lash line, I'm using this two shade Boutique and Benny, and with a pencil brush, I am just working very close to my outer eyes and just blending into the inner eyes, not taking too much product in there, but focusing more onto my outer eyes. Making sure it's all blended, no harsh lines. Then I'm curling my lashes and then I will be putting some mascara. It's Wet n Wild mascara. So for inner corners of my eyes, I'm adding a black eyeshadow instead of going over with any eyeliner. I think it's easier since I didn't add any eyeliner to this look. So for the lips, here comes the magic. The Crayon Ink by Maybelline. Own your empire. So everyone, this is the final look and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video and you all have enjoyed watching me creating this look. And if you all have loved it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and families. All my new viewers also who have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button down there and get updated. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And everyone, stay safe, stay home, take care. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.